Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be creating this messy bun over here which you can wear for your next event, whether it's a wedding, you're attending as a guest. You could put some accessories in and make it a bridal updo. What I love about it is that it's really secure. It's not going to move because messy buns usually they look messy but they have a lot of bobby pin action going on. And there's a trick to making it last the entire night while looking effortless. It highlights the face and everything else that's going on. I'm going to be doing these with the help of Online Makeup Academy. They have several professional courses that you can choose from, ranging from makeup to hairstyle. And because it's online, you can do it from anywhere in the world. We've all gotten too used to this remote setting, so I'm all for it. And the best part is they have videos plus one-on-one personal guidance with the instructor.
Hi Kiara, welcome to Online Makeup Academy. My name is Alona and I'm a tutor here. So I'll be seeing your work, your progress, and giving you tips on how you can improve. I'm super excited for you, Kiara, to be on this journey, and I can't wait to see your work. Bye for now.
You can send your work to the instructor and get feedback in real time, and not just during the course. Even after the course completes and you graduate, you have lifetime access to not just the course but even the tutor. Like, that's not something you get in a regular academy. So that's something that really stood out for me. The course I chose is the pro hairstyling course, and having been a freelance makeup artist, I know that hair is such an important addition to the makeup package. I have the video right in front of me, so I'm gonna put the video here and play it along with me doing the hairstyle.
Add 2 bobby pins, and that's going to be a really great way to make a hair ponytail. We're also going to use the frizz serum, so I'm going to add, using just a small amount will make a big difference in the frizziness of the hair. Now we can use a comb or the natural bristle brush, and we're going to brush this hair smooth for a fairly high ponytail. And make sure you've brushed it through very well. You take the first bobby pin and you put it on the top of her head, and then you pull with the second bobby pin and you're looping that around the ponytail that you've made. And using the rubber band this way is going to help to make it exactly the right tension for how much hair there is, rather than just looping it around and looping it around. And then you can pull the second bobby pin in to her hair. And now it's very strong, it's very secure, it's going to stay in place.
It's actually really secure.
Add some hairspray here as well. You could use hair extensions, you could use a sponge, but we're going to start out with just teasing. So I'm taking different sections of the hair in the ponytail and teasing very aggressively. So this will be a large tease. We want a lot of volume here for this updo.
The trick with teasing the hair is, like, you kind of have to hold it and let go little by little so that you get that volume. And it's gonna look funny when you're doing it.
Go ahead and make a nice strong tease with this hair so it can add a lot of volume, smoothing the exterior hair. We want the hair on the outside to look sleek but have the volume that we've added from the teasing. I'm using a lot of hairspray with this hairdo, different sections, small sections, and break that section into 2 pieces and twist them around each other. Add hairspray. Hold one piece of it with one hand while you pull the other piece towards the scalp. And that will make a really pretty curled section of hair that you can then pin to her head to start this bun that we're working on. Now we're going to take another piece of hair, separating that into 2 areas. Brush that smooth there. Twist this around each other. It's not very tight, but I work that all the way down the end. Hold with one hand to push with the other. Hairspray and bobby pin. And this is going to be a nice, messy, soft bun, but it's going to have a nice volume with it too.
Definitely gonna create a lot of knots in my hair, but I think any professional hairstyle for like an event needs a lot of teasing and volume.
So we keep working through, deciding how many different sections we're going to make. So taking another piece, because this is going to be messy, and we're not hesitating to use bobby pins to secure the ends, to secure the hair. Check as you go, taking a look back, see how things are looking from different angles.
And now I'm just gonna take some of the strays and put some more bobby pins in.
And where each little piece of hair that you're going to secure should go. Using your best judgment and your eye for design to place the hair just where it needs to be. One little loose piece here. We're going to secure that with another bobby pin.
That is so secure, like I can be dancing all night and that's not going to move. With the help of a little hairspray, as she said, we need a lot of hairspray. This would have been even neater, I feel, but so far I'm really happy with how it turned out. And yeah, you can just tie up your hair in a messy way and create a messy bun, but this is gonna stay secure for the entire event. And that is the final look. What do you guys think? So that was it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Do check out the link below in the description box. You can use the code ThatLookYouLove to get a $100 discount. When you do sign up for these courses, they give you the tools and materials you need. Like for a hairstyling course, they'll give you a mannequin with hair to practice on, other tools as well that you'll need for the course itself, which I love, so it's included in the price. That being said, everything comes down to practice, so make sure you give yourself enough time, be patient with yourself, take help of the professors if you plan to go ahead with this course, because that's really helpful. And I'm still getting the hang of it. I'm not perfect at it, but with time you will get better. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.